Imagine a battlefield where soldiers can fight fairly, following clear rules, but then picture a weapon that cannot distinguish between a combatant and a child playing in a field. This stark contrast highlights why some weapons are simply unacceptable in armed conflict, violating the very principles designed to protect humanity. Anti-personnel landmines primarily violate the laws of or because they are inherently indiscriminate. This means they cannot differentiate between military targets and civilians, nor between those actively fighting and those who have ceased to participate in hostilities. Their very design causes widespread and long-lasting harm long after a conflict has ended. The core violation stems from two fundamental principles of international humanitarian law: the principle of distinction and the prohibition of superfluous injury or unnecessary suffering. Landmines, by their nature, are laid to wait for a victim, and they cannot discern a soldier from a farmer. They are also designed to maim rather than instantly kill, causing horrific injuries that requiring extensive medical care and often lead to lifelong disability, thus inflicting suffering beyond what is militarily necessary. Countries and armed groups can uphold these laws by joining the Ottawa Treaty, formerly known as the Convention on the Prohibition of the Use, Stockpiling, Production and Transfer of Anti-Personnel Mines, and on their destruction. This treaty commits states to banning these weapons and destroying existing stockpiles, ensuring they are never deployed. States also implement robust demining programs to clear contaminated areas and provide assistance to victims. An important distinction to remember is that while anti-personnel landmines are almost universally banned due to their indiscriminate nature, anti-tank mines are generally not prohibited. This is because anti-tank mines are designed to be triggered by the weight of a vehicle, making them more discriminate. However, even these must be used responsibly, with clear markings and careful record keeping to prevent civilian casualties. The focus remains on preventing predictable and severe harm to non-combatants. Ultimately, the prohibition of anti-personnel landmines reflects a deep commitment to limiting the brutality of and protecting innocent lives. By understanding why these weapons are banned, we clarify a crucial aspect of international humanitarian law, ensuring that future conflicts are fought within acceptable boundaries that respect fundamental human dignity and minimize enduring civilian harm.